Hey, what's going on, guys? I have with me my Zhichi home, basically my little home gym where I do my pull-ups and my push-ups on it. Basically, this is designed for like people who are like over 200 pounds up to 350 pounds. So what I do, in the mornings, I basically go up here and I do my pull-ups pretty good. It owes me, I'm like 195 pounds right now, but this one holds up strong. It was easy to assemble as well. And I can do my little press ups here too, using these two handles there. And then like in the mornings, I go down and I do my push-ups here. It's very sturdy on the floor. It comes with some sturdy bases that keeps everything grounded. Right here again, you can do your push-ups here. So this is where I hold on to and just stretch out and do my push-ups. I'm very glad that I actually got this. It's made very well, built very well, and it was also easy to assemble as well. I think this is a pretty good brand, and I got a deal also on Amazon as well. So maybe you're looking out there to get your little home workout, without having to go into the gym all the time. This is actually something I recommend. I really like it a lot. This really helps me to boost my energy. Really happy about this purchase. So it's a good brand, Zhichi. Really nice stuff. So definitely check it out.